Hello! How are you all? Hope you're having a great day. I just thought I'd come on and do a eyeliner cat flick, show you how to do it. I get asked quite a lot how to do it, and my tip is always that lots of people think you have to follow the upper lid and then lift it and flick it up, but I always say do the upper lid and then you want to create your flick from the lower lid. I'm not sure how easy this is going to be to do straight into the camera instead of, I normally do it obviously with a mirror. Obviously now that I'm over 40 and heading fast to 50, the skin around my eyes is getting a bit crepey, so I like to hold the skin taut. I have seen it done by makeup artists where you hold it with both fingers either side. I can't do it that way. I prefer to do it just by holding my skin. So I'm going to close my eye. I'm going to start at the outer corner. I'm not going to try and do it in one line because it's perfectly all right to do sort of short dots or dashes. I can't quite see what I'm doing. I'm going to see if I can put the mirror behind the camera. So I can do it in the mirror, but you can see what I'm doing. So again, I'm going to cut, that's better, I can see better. I'm then going to bring it, I like to start where my lashes start, which is about there. You can, if you wish, bring it right down into the corner, but I like to do it from where my lashes start. And the reason I do that is, obviously the eyelashes are individual strands, so they grow out from the eye like that, and you have a gap in between. So by taking your eyeliner along and joining that up, it makes the lash line look thicker because you fill in the gaps. So I'm going to hold the skin. Always have cotton buddy at the ready. You can lick it to sort out any errors you make. And now, as you see, I've done it wider at the outer corner. When your eye is open, obviously it's almond. When it's closed, it looks like a straight line. So what I'm trying to do is by making it thicker at the outer corner, when the eye opens, it makes the eye look more straighter, less almond, and it also just accentuates to the outer corner of the lashes. So for my eye flick, I want it to come up, but you'll see if I follow the bottom lash line up rather than trying to go along and up. So again, from holding the skin taut, so following the lower lash line, I'm going to draw my line, and then when I let it go, you can see how it shrinks back, so it's not actually as long as I've drawn it. Then what I want to do is from this point, I want to join it to the top, the thickest part of the eyeline on the top. So I'm sort of like from that point to this point, almost like I've got like a V, and I'm creating the top of the triangle and filling it in. So hopefully you can see, and then when I pull the eye, it almost looks straight, but obviously at an angle, a bit like a Chinesey eye. And then when I let go, you can see that pings back, so it's much shorter. If I want it longer, all I've got to do is stretch the skin again. And you've got a slightly longer one, but can you see how much longer it is? And it's still... So again, following from the lower lash line, and the sisters, the eyes are sisters, not twins, so it doesn't matter if they're not identical. I don't think anyone's face is completely symmetrical. But hopefully that's given you some tips on creating your own cat flick eyeliner. Sorry, hiccuping. And as always, don't try and do it 10 minutes before you're about to go out. give yourself a little half an hour time when you've got time just to practice, and it's not a tattoo, so you can grab your makeup remover and take it off. Always have your cotton buds handy. You can lick and then just make a correction, or even dip it in your eye makeup remover if you make a really big mistake. I've already got a little bit of mascara on that eye, not on this one, so I just put my lash primer on. Put a second coat on that one. Why not? This is the Lash Love mascara. It's my favourite, and I have been enjoying using the coloured ones recently because we've got blue, green and plum for a limited time only, so that'll be 6 months or so we've got those. So I have got them to try before you buy, and if you like them, I'd suggest buying a couple, put them in the cupboard. They've got long dates on them, so I think I used Lash Intensity on this one earlier on a different video, and I think it might be running out because I've got a better result with my Lash Love. Okay, so hopefully that's helped you with some tips on the Cat Flick eyeliner. If you've got any questions, please leave me a message or a comment below. If you'd like to get together and learn how to do this with me, I'm happy to show you. And anything else you'd like to learn? Eye makeup application, what's the best blusher for you, colour matching with foundation, a bit of explanation about primers, any skincare issues, please just ask. I do a variety of different Mary Kay experiences, makeup lessons, etc., skincare consultations, so please just ask. Have a great day, and thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.